Hey there, Internet Keeve here, and happy 4th of July 2020. I've got my Cletus American flag shirt on with Leroy. Heidi here. She's ready, but she's gonna hide in here. She's just gonna be here for the sound. So what we're doing today is we're setting off all the fireworks with the mortars and stuff that I fused. I did make a few changes. Let's go over that. So first we're gonna go off with some 200 gram that have been run together. Not to fire at the same time, but in sequence, so that way it's less work for me. These 500 gram cakes here, we're gonna be fired off all one at a time. We have our 10 shot, our two 5-shot racks. A lot of them I went ahead and made a bunch of 10 shots. So 5 in each, and they are fired in a line. And then these are fired in the middle, so both sides will go off at the same time. A couple of single 5 shots. Got some Roman candles for the kids, jumping jacks, and we got some sparklers. And then here we got the grand finale. We've got the Fighting Rooster, the bold colors, plus 2 of the 5 shots, plus the 16 shot rack, which I just recently made last night. I just created this one. I kind of took one apart, bought another box, and we just kind of cut off the bottoms and then just cut some wood in half and slatted them in the sides, and it just kind of sits in there perfect. We'll see how well that does. Some of the 16 is pre-wired there, and there's 2 more of the 16 pre-wired there. We just drop them in the tubes and go. I'm sweaty, it's hot outside, it rained, it's humid, but the good thing about the rain is it kind of helps us be a little bit safer. That way we don't have any problems with the, with yard catching on fire or anything like that. So let's get right into it. Hopefully I'll get you some GoPro, drone, and regular footage. Here's the show.
Like that.
All right, guys, that's the end of the 4th of July fireworks display. I hope you enjoyed it. Every single one that I wired went off. The timing was pretty good. Like, we got much to improve on for next year. But I gotta say, I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm covered in ash. I'm sweaty as hell, but it doesn't matter. I'm so excited. Everybody in the neighborhood came out. It was just a great thing. I hope you saw the great GoPro footage, drone footage, everything. Here's some of the aftermath. The cart here full of the Roman candles and all the cakes. That's not just the mortars. I got them somewhere else. Next year for sure, timing wise, I definitely want more tubes. I don't want to have to keep reloading. That was definitely taking some time. A lot of people left and went in their houses before the finale ever went off, and the finale was amazing. I really hope you guys appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video.